How to recover your Discord password. If you forgot your Discord password and need to regain access to your account, this video will show you how to reset it quickly. First, open Discord on your computer or visit the Discord website and go to the login page. Enter the email address or phone number associated with your Discord account. Now, click Forgot Your Password below the password field. Discord will send password reset instructions to your registered email address. Check your inbox, spam, or junk folder if you don't see the email immediately. Open the email from Discord and click Reset Password. You'll be taken to the password reset page. Enter a new, strong password and confirm the change. Once your password has been updated, return to Discord and sign in using your email address or phone number and your new password. If you no longer have access to the email or phone number connected to your account, you'll need to contact Discord support for further assistance. That's how you can recover and reset your Discord password if you forgot it. If you find this video helpful, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.